Hello there and welcome to another episode of 5-Minute Dissertation Diaries. This will be a short one. Today is Sunday, July 17th, 2022. It's just before 12:30 p.m. Normally I'd record this after I had a chance to work all day Sunday and get a lot done, but I'm not doing that today because I lose the office in about 2 hours, and then about 2 hours after that I'm leaving town for the week. So I'll be gone within a few hours. I just want to tell you what I did here this week. This week's been a little lighter. My proposal's been in AQR, and I got slammed at work and haven't slept a lot, trying to get caught up on work. What I did was Monday the 11th, I added answers to the proposal defense flashcards, which I put together. You may recall I put together an online set of flashcards, 61 that are example questions from the defense aid document that's supplied by the school. 61 questions you should be ready for. So I turned them into online flashcards. I've used the software before, worked out great. Answered one of the questions on the 11th, answered one of them on the 12th. There are 61 total questions, so I need to be moving at a faster pace than one a day. 13th, 14th, 15th, that would be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Didn't get anything done. Buried at work and posted an LDP entry on the 2nd, or on Wednesday. Saturday, what I did was I realized I need to get caught up on getting newer references. I've got about 40, I forget the numbers. The point is I don't have enough that are in the last 5 years. So what I did was I went and I scrambled on trying to replace references. I got 3 done yesterday. It was an entire weekend the first time I did this. I did 3 yesterday. That felt good. Got a lot done there. And then today, this morning, I answered 16 proposal defense flashcards. Got 16 of them there. So it's 18 out of 61 done. Hopefully I can keep up this pace, even though I'm on vacation the coming week. Hopefully I can punch out the other 40 or whatever, 30, well, I guess it's going to be, there's 18 done out of 61. So that's, whatever it is, 43 I've got left to do. Hopefully I can get those done the next few days. Maybe even a little bit today. I also want to do some reading on a book that I have, I forget the name, that I've been reading slowly on qualitative dissertations. That's all I've got this coming week. I'm out till Thursday. I'm going to Breckenridge with my girlfriend. We scheduled this months and months ago. I'll do what I can working on the flashcards, like I said, while I'm there. No work, though, I hope. And then when I get back Thursday, unpack, Friday, back in the grind. I'm supposed to get the response from my dissertation, the AQR, by Thursday the 21st. So we'll see if that comes in. That'd be great. That'll allow me to hit the ground running Friday and over the weekend. Wherever you are, wherever you are, hope you're doing well. Take care.